This is the Realme C33, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button at the dedicated app page. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button that appears. Then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll skip this step. And then you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.